Sabi ko nga, that ang unang pager ko is $500,000. Malaki ba? Maliit?
$500,000.
Dollars yun.
Paano ba to nalugi ng $500,000?
We are delighted to have you here at the Phil SME Business Show. This is a business podcast and vodcast dedicated to help SME business owners like you boost your business. This is more than a conversation about business. This is a story about leadership, influence, and the moments that shape legacy. Welcome to the Phil SME Business Show. After more than 2 decades driving major growth initiatives at Shell, Dean Pax Lopid chose a different path, building ventures of his own and embracing the unpredictable journey of entrepreneurship. From IT services and agribusiness at St. Melian Farms to managing gas stations and distributing the iconic Lapid's Chicharron, his ventures span industries but share one constant: a drive to build, innovate, and create opportunities. From IT services and agribusiness at St. Melian Farms to managing gas stations and distributing the iconic Lapid's Chicharron, his ventures span industries but share one constant: a drive to build, innovate, and create opportunities. Today, as chairman and CEO of iOS.ph, Dean Pax is leading the charge in AI agentic systems, helping entrepreneurs find clients and source talent through cutting-edge technology. Recognized as a top 30 LinkedIn leader and Founder Institute PH leader for tech startups, he continues to champion a future where AI and SMEs grow stronger together. This is the leadership journey of Dean Pax Lopid. Leading the conversation is Trixie Esguerra Abranilla, CEO and Managing Director of Phil SME, a visionary platform builder dedicated to empowering Filipino entrepreneurs through connection, collaboration, and growth. As the driving force behind Phil SME's evolution into a national business ecosystem, Trixie brings a leadership lens shaped by experience, resilience, and purpose. In this episode, she guides a powerful conversation on influence, legacy, and building something that lasts beyond success. Stay with us as we hear from the partners who help make these leadership stories possible. Tahoe Story, USA Poultry and Egg Export Council, and Canva. Boost your business by joining the next Philippine SME Business Expo. Meet face-to-face with over 120 exhibitors. Explore 180 business solutions. Network with 10,000 SME business owners, startups, and entrepreneurs. And learn new business trends from industry leaders. Join the Philippines' biggest expo, conference, and networking event. For more information, visit www.philsme.com.
He has been making waves in many industries that only a few of us probably could really understand. And he has been a mentor to hundreds, if not thousands, of SMEs in the Philippines. And now he has also delved into AI to help more entrepreneurs like me and like you grow their businesses. Welcome to the Phil SME Business Show. My name is Trixie Esguerra Abranilla, and today we have the chairman and CEO of iOS.ph, Dean Pax Lopid.
Thank
Good
you, Trixie.
afternoon.
Thank you.
Welcome
yeah,
to my home.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Hindi, this is Dean Pax. This is a Minotti. This is a Minotti showroom, and we're thankful to them for allowing us
Ganda.
to use their space for our
Thank you.
interview. Salamat po.
Thank you, Ange.
Dean Pax, sa dinami-dami ng tinulungan nyo, tinuturuan na SMEs, at hindi ko alam if we share the same mindset now. Kasi now that I am leading this company, no, maliit pa lang din, lean pa rin, small pa lang din kami. But coming from a one-man team, na ngayon ay, eto na, lumalaki na siya. When I decided to took on this role for Phil SME Business Expo and Network, I thought of it already as, okay, I'm gonna take it, but I have to think now, what's my exit strategy? Ganun ako. Kaya ko siya, sige, ito yung plano ko, kukunin ko siya kasi ito yung plano ko. But before, I didn't know that. And I didn't bother about exit strategy. Hindi ka pa nagsisimula, exit na agad. So my question is that the way business owners should also think about or it will come in the right time, or hindi ganyan dapat? What's your take on that?
Thanks, Trixie. I like that line of questioning. Tapos sabi mo nga, inuumpisa pa lang, iniisip mo na yung exit. So I'll give you 3 Ps, no? So for any Filipino, no? So to the Philippine SME natin. So everything starts with passion. Di ba? Passion. Nasa puso, di ba? So passion is not enough. Kailangan andun yung perspective. Tama yung sabi mo, para bang iniisip ko ngayon, gusto ko umpisan, pero may exit ba? So, kailangan may perspective ka. So, yun yung issue. So, may long-term perspective ka. And then, of course, with the long-term perspective, kailangan andun yung perseverance. Not all journeys will be a smooth ride. So, in the SME environment natin, the first bottom mo, ang tawag ko doon is the valley of death.
Okay, first.
Kasi pag ikaw ay nagbukas ng coffee shop, di ba? Passion is not equated to the business plan. Not porket magaling ka, mahilig ka sa kape, umiinom ka katulad ko ng 8 cup every day, tapos magtatayo ako ng coffee shop, that is not the criteria for a sustainable coffee shop. Same thing for a business. So, one is the passion, okay? For you to create the potential, andun dapat yung perspective mo na itatawid ko ito in the first 2 or 3 years, whatever happens. Yun yung valley of dirt. Ibig sabihin, mag-hands-on ka, madudumihan ng kamay mo, dirt yon. Then, valley of death, uutang ka kasi kulang ka na ng pondo na inumpisahan mo. And then, valley of death, hindi ka nakarecover na kulang ang customer mo, wala kang mambayad ng renta, kuryente, empleyado, mamamatay. So, yun yung unang valley mo. Right? So, that sometimes to the SME takes a long time. And what's a long time for an SME? 6 to 12 months. Long yon.
Alam mo yun.
Long na yon. Akala mo, short. Pag hindi ka dumating ang customer ng the first 3 months, customer, at hindi ka na nakapag-break even ng 6 to the 9th month, isipin mo, magkano ang aking ipatatalo dito? So, remember, failure is not an identity. Failure is a lesson, diba? So, failure also, para bang is your distinguishing or para bang differentiating factor that will now sustain, gusto ko ito, kaya ko ito. So, fail up. Ganun din. Yung iba naman, success for 6 months, arangkada agad, daming tao. Curiosity lang yon. Then after a while, bakit? Die down na. Di ba? Ganun ang SME natin. Bukas-sara, you see in the malls, bukas-sara ang mga restaurant, yung mga small, para bang in the whole outlets.
Are you saying na exception yung mga kunyari, nag-franchise ka or meron kang ginawa, di ba sinasabi nga, ang ROI niyan, 3 years. Yun yung usual eh. So it means, hindi kasali yung sinasabi natin na if hindi ka dumaan sa ganun within 6 to 12 months, ibang, ano yun sir, ibang usapan siya or?
The franchise kasi is a different animal. Kasi franchise is already a set of rules that guides you. Unlike when you start up, you bootstrap, di ba? You're on your own. It's your own concept. Iyon ang mahirap.
Yan ang sa time frame ng 6 to 12.
Yes.
You're saying, Dean Pax, dapat within 6 to 12 months, hindi ka nalugi or at least nag-break even ka?
In the first 6 months, you would have distinguished 2 klase ng papasok sa iyong restaurant or tindahan. Merong buyer at saka merong customer. Anong kaibahan? Ask me. Din, anong kaibahan?
Din, anong kaibahan?
So, buyer, bumili. Customer, bumalik. What you need to target is the customer, not the buyer. Magkaiba. Ganyan din. Membership. 1-year subscription. Excited. Hindi na nag-renew. Hindi bumalik. That is not a business. Business happens when you have very, very consistent customers.
That's why they say, when the customer buys for you for the very first time, hindi ba yung customer? Cost mo pa rin yan.
Okay, very
Pag bumalik, dun ka na.
Magaling ka na. Oo, alam mo na. See, those are the learning points natin. So all these years, the mentor-mentee tayo, di ba? You've learned a lot of lessons, but also from your own gain. Di ba? Pain and gain yun eh. Balance yun eh. Hindi puro gain. Kailangan may pain. Your pain will sustain you through your momentum. May momentum yun eh. So, perspective, passion, perspective, and then perseverance. Not all businesses, di ba? Tatlong pila yan. Passion, andun sa puso, di ba? Andun ang perspective. Medyo medium term ka man lang yung, kasi I always correct yung mga nagle-lecture. Vision, vision. Sabi ko, paano ka magbi-vision kung puro konsumisyon? So, mission muna. Mission is the task that I am asked to do. Like in a way, yung ios.ph namin, AI online sourcing platform. It sources, it screens, it matches Filipino talents in minutes, not weeks. The pain point or the problem of talent sourcing has always been the long recruitment, the long cycle, and in the end, hindi pala tatanggap ng job offer. Nagsayang ka ng 1 buwan, hindi man pala sure. Ang ginawa namin, passive and active candidate. Ang kukunin mo na lang yung active na match dun sa gusto mo. COO, events organization, client relation. So, 80 para sure ka na itong gusto mo, ginawa na ng AI platform namin, source, across Google, GitHub, DuckDuckGo, lahat yun. Hindi lang yung Facebook mo or LinkedIn mo. All over, basta public domain. Ini-screen, minatch dun sa criteria mong primary work at saka tool. Tapos, hinanap sino ang open to opportunity, sino lang yung passive. Bakit ka pupunta doon sa passive? Doon ka sa active. So, pag nakita mo yung active, kunyari, taga Cebu ka, bakit ka kukunin taga Manila?
Tatanggalin mo ngayon.
Tatanggalin mo ngayon. Nag-granular na rin namin kung saan match, active, at saka kung saang lugar ang operations mo. So, andun yung perspective. So, andun din yung perspective is a matter of potential mo ka. Ano ba ang potential nitong akin? Bakit ka long-term perspective kung ginaya mo lang yung fishball o yung kape-kape? Pare-pareho lang eh. Di ba? So, there should be potential. And of course, the perseverance ngayon, Trixie, tatamaan ka ng failure or para bang tinatawag na para bang a dead end or para bang a pit trap ka. You start questioning, bakit tayo talo? Bakit tayo lugi? Kaya ko bang ituloy ito? So, doon papasok yung perseverance mo. Babalik ka ngayon, yung purpose at saka yung passion.
So tama ba na ganun ang pag-iisip ng what I'm getting from you is yes and no
Yeah.
sa exit strategy. If it's your own idea talaga, and then yes, I think if I get it right, then yes. But if you're asking about ginaya mo lang naman eh. So parang parang it will either die down naturally or you will develop something that will make it bigger.
A lot of businesses, especially the small ones, gaya-gaya putumaya. Di ba? Walang pagkakaiba. So, let me guide your Philippine SME network. So, ang tawag ko dyan, dun sa Founder Institute ko, which I will run this summer, mga tech startups. Mahirap ang tech startups compared to yung brick and mortar natin. So, but I've realized, yung aming ginagamit na napakadali ng framework namin, rule of one. Ano yung rule of one? One problem, ano ba yung problema ang sinasolve mo? Hindi ka gumaya. Tinignan mo muna, ano ba problema? Naku, ang traffic pala dito pag ganitong lunchtime, di ba? So, nahanap mo yung problema. Ano yung solusyon? Di ba? Ano yung one customer segment? ano yung one revenue stream, and then ano yung killer feature. Ulitin ko. I-apply natin ulit yung aking bagong, 2 years na naman yun, yung aking ios.ph, di ba? So, ano ang one problem? I've realized, nung nasa Toronto ako, tsaka sa US, the Americans and the Canadians will say, oh, there are no Filipino tech talents. I say, it's not. We have a lot of Filipino tech talents. They're just not visible. Hindi kasi napropromote ng gobyerno, kailangan mayaman ka para to pitch in the trade show. Like, I spend 750,000, ako lang with the conference fee. So like in Australia, I paid 7,500 Australian just for the conference, just to get there, di ba? Airfare, lahat. Siyempre, alam mo naman ang din mo, 5-star hotel. So, everything. So, you spend 750,000 not knowing what's out there. Di ba? That's the pitch. So to be very, very sure, I've realized that the one problem for the Philippines is it is not talent shortage, it is talent visibility. So I've created ios.ph for talent visibility across 3 million qualified professionals. Pati yung aking React JavaScript developer, taga-Tagum, Davao del Norte.
Wow.
Yung isa ko developer, taga-Tagaytay, Silang. So I'm now leveling professionals to be available everywhere. So,
Yun ang
problem.
ROI mo, Doc.
Correct. That's the impact.
Ano?
Yes. Then, the solution, ito nga, gawa mo, you're able to gather all these professionals, you're able to aggregate all the public domain, and then, anong killer feature? Kung ang HR, and this is for all the people listening, to get an accountant, yung matino accountant, it will take you 30 to 45 days. It will take you 6 weeks ka to just get maybe a decent qualified accountant. So, itong platform, not in weeks, in minutes. Tapos yung active pa. Tapos, customer segment mo. Anybody
Dean Pax, my
recruiting.
question is, kasi ang ganda di ba? Ngayon ko siya mas naintindihan. Kasi yung, what they have created, the iOS, iOS PH, is that if you're looking for somebody, di ba, you don't have to, hindi na tayo old school, na you have to go through, syempre wala na yellow pages, but you go through everything, tapos ang ending, hindi mo pa alam kung interesado pa siya by the time. So what you have created is, yung time na ngayon kailangan mo, hanapin mo in 5 minutes, makikita mo. So, anong kaibahan niya, Dean? So, for example, you have other platforms here who's been here for a long time and they're also, parang in-improve nila yung platform nila eh. Anong kaibahan nun sa iOS?
Unang-una, yung pinaka-famous platform natin, di ba? So, and everybody knows sa corporate enterprise, 1.6 million a year to have that enterprise platform with 2 recruiter access. Ang makaka-afford lang doon, yung mga malalaking kumpanya. Paano naman si Philippine SME natin na ultimo job ad niya na 10,000, 15,000, nanghihinayang ka. Nagtsatsaga ka ngayon sa mga Facebook
Paano
groups.
din kung kunyari, ang kailangan ko lang, kunyari ngayon, nagkakaubusan naman ng sales staff may makikita rin ako doon sa platform mo?
Yeah, tapos kung gusto pa na wala kang HR, added service, curated, 15 na, may pangalan, andun na lahat yung... And ito, this is something new for everybody. Gone are the days of resume. Alam mo bakit? I am Trixie Abinilla, this is my job. Nakita mo ngayon, Sun Life is para bang naka-job ad, para bang talent event director, ganyan-ganyan. So, please match, pupunta ka na ng ChatGPT, please match my profile with the job ad of the company. Napaka-perfect ng iyong resume.
I didn't even realize pwede yung gano'n. Ba't ka umuoo? I didn't even realize pwede yung gano'n. Okay.
Ito ngayon, skills-based ka, experience pa, minatch, skills and experience. Wala akong pakialam dun sa resume na dinescribe. Ano yon? That could be true, that could be AI generated. So, ni-reverse ko ngayon na para bang, although AI kami, panlaban dun sa AI-generated resume. Kaya skills-based tayo, at saka experience. So, kaya yun yung killer feature natin. Di ba? And then, of course, yung revenue stream mo, pwede kang subscription, pwede kang curated, pwede kang recruit process outsourcer. So, expanded na ngayon, because of one platform, you have different staffing models. So, yun
All
na.
in iOS.
All in iOS. All in iOS.
Ang galing. So, does it mean, Dean Pax, this is the only kind in the country
We are the
existing
first.
right now?
We
You
are
are
the
the first.
In
Okay.
the US, meron. Ang mga tawag nila doon, JD and Resume Parser. So, kilala yon si Archie Lee. And that's my vision, perspective ko, na sooner or later, we will be funded from abroad. So, habang Pilipino pa po ang ating platform, di ba? I am giving Trixie and her network, di ba? Free access po doon sa mga naghihirap na ano. And then, connect na lang kayo through Trixie. Siya po ang aking talent manager.
Kasi alam
di
ko
ba?
may bayad yon. So, kung gusto nyong maka-access sa platform na yon,
Dadaan kayo na,
hanapin nyo, maghahanap kayo. Kasi sir, pang lead generating din siya, obviously.
Then, I love you. So yung AIOS mo, AI online sourcing, AI online selling, I love you. Lead generation. So, hanap ka ng presidente or CEO or let's say, procurement manager na lang. Tapos, gusto mo, kunyari, procurement manager, beverage. So, the iOS platform can find you all those names.
Subscription model to, Dean Pax.
May subscription, may curated. Kasi yung in the subscription model, you will still have to connect to the person. The curated model, pati contact info, meron na. Meron na.
Okay, so kung gusto nyong makatikim, nasan ako dito,
Oo, ayun.
gusto nyong makatikim, no, try nyo lang. Kasi sabi mo, too good to be true. Wala na ngayon sa age ng AI, wala nang ganun, kayang-kaya na, sisiw na lang yun sa kanila. So, what you have to do, just send us an email. Email me at trixie@philsme.com. I will connect you to Dean Pax. And
Only through Trixie po,
At unang gagamitin ko na yan. Kasi pag uwi ngayon, yun na yung uunahin ko. Kasi honestly, I also, Dean Pax, I told you this before, I was paying for mahalang leads, ha?
Yeah.
Lalo na if you talk about yung sinalang na, ang mahal. So I was paying for that in order to sell PhilSME. Until such time na I'm so, thank you Lord, thank you my love, thank you to my husband. Hindi ko na kailangan gawin yon because people come to us and yun na yun eh. So parang hayang saya nung posisyon na hindi ka na, syempre I still look. Pero like 80% they come to us already.
Ibo-volunteer ko na sila Royce tsaka anak ko, bigyan mo ng open house na dun sa iOS, may isang booth, nakapila kung ano yung kailangan na role, abay, basta,
Gusto ko
di ba?
sa mga podcast interviews natin, nagkakaroon bigla ng booth yung ating guest.
Diba?
Syempre naman. Oo, meron na. May booth na si iOS.
Diba?
Oo.
No, kasi to me, I wanna equalize, di ba? Para bang yung the leverage of a big business to our Philippine SME. Naaawa ako kasi like yung aming kliyente sa Davao, construction, hirap na hirap kumuha ng yung finance group niya. Bakit? Nag-resign yung finance manager. Natakot yung accounting, pati yung accounting nag-resign. Nalumpo ngayon yung dalawang finance, construction sila. Ang hirap, no? Diba? So, ganun din. Yung sa Cebu, ang laging problema naman nung aming kliyente sa Cebu, they're into TBA, tires, batteries, accessories. Alam mo naman, ang ahente, very volatile, di ba? Kung saan mas malaki ang komisyon, lilipat. Bitin ang may kontrata, tapos ang gagawin doon, anong tawag doon? Sinusulot, di ba? So every month, nagpapalit sila ng salesman.
Pero Dean Pax, since magandang topic if I may.
Yep.
So, hindi naman kasi lingid sa kaalaman ng lahat. It's a normal thing na, or maybe for some, for most, no, na if you're into sales, o di hanap ako ng mas malaki. But what is it, aside from the relationship of the owner, let's say, or the boss and the person, what would you say, what's your advice to the SME owners here? How can they keep their best employees? loyal, or engaged. Yung, kumbaga, in other words, hindi ka basta-basta lilipatan.
Yung the real, how do you call that? The real criteria, di ba, for setting up a business is set on purpose and people. Kaya yung tanong mo maganda na how does an SME keep people? Okay, so one, to a small enterprise, akala nila so lang yung, kaya gusto ko yung ibalik mo yung vision board mo. It should be a shared vision by everybody in the organization. Pag naintindihan nila yung iyong purpose, naintindihan nila kung saan ka passion, kung saan yung puso mo, they now begin not just to love their own job, but to love the mission of the company. So, hindi na monetary value ito, Trixie. It's already, para bang they're now sharing the mission with you na itatawid natin yan, ma'am. Kasama nyo kami. Hirap at ginhawa. Alam namin at gusto namin yung inyong tinatahak na mission. Kaya ibalik mo yung vision board mo. It starts with the vision board, the shared vision, together with the mission, which is the operation mo. Now, we'll make sure that hindi man lahat, your essential staff, managers, pati yung iba, para bang yung the operators mo, will stay with you. Hindi na pera-pera yan.
Sometimes kasi alam mo naman yung sagot sa tanong mo, na alam mo na yung dapat mong gawin, ayaw mo lang siyang gawin kasi either natatakot ka, or in my case, kunyari parang feeling ko, parang hindi pa malakas yung loob ko. Pag sabay-sabayan or bumalik, hindi ko sure I want to play it safe. But then again, with this conversation, Dean Pax, dun ko nakita na workable, Trixie, whatever it is that you want to marry, kayang-kaya. So, yun yung pinakakuha ko ngayon, Dean
Thank you.
Pax.
So, kasi yung sabi mo na natatakot, di ba? Kasi fear will always be the biggest obstacle. So, hindi lang fear of failure. So, let me para bang ito yung quotable quote natin, di ba? So, resilience as the foundation, di ba? Kailangan itawid mo yan. Failure as the tuition. Kailangan, di ba? Aral ka, creatives, whatever, may tuition fee. So, failure is the tuition. Hindi identity. Ang karamihan ng mga startup, pag nag-fail,
Buong pagkatao na.
di ba parang pagkatao
Kasi,
na?
Dean, paano ba yun? Kasi for me, it feels that way. Kasi hindi ba ganun? Kasi ako, it feels that way. Kung anong gawin ko, kung kunyari, ako as a person, di ba, may nanalo or something, parang lahat yun eh.
Hindi, ano yun?
So, hindi ganon.
You have to reframe. Kasi, failure as a lesson, not failure as the dead end. So, it has to reframe na, ano bang natutunan ko dito? So, I guess in one of the, yung YouTube namin ni, of course, Chinky, sabi ko nga, and I can be very vulnerable, that ang unang failure ko is $500,000. Malaki ba? Maliit?
$500,000.
Dollars yun.
Sabi ko nga, paano ba to nalugi ng $500,000? Tapos,
My first venture, $500,000 yun. Kasi US company eh. And then, but it was not my fault. The lesson is not my bucket. Who would ever imagine the biggest and number one oil company in the US would collapse and run? Who would ever think that the biggest auditing and consulting firms, Andersen Consulting, would also fail? Parehong kliyente ko eh. So, it's not my fault. It's just that I was there when it collapsed. So, babalik ka doon sa resilience. Kaya ko pa ba itawid ito? O reset ka?
Dean, how does one know, especially if you're an entrepreneur, how does one know when enough is enough, it's time to stop?
That's easy. When you've lost your passion and you've lost your budgeted peso.
Dalawang bagay lang.
Dalawa.
Dalawang P pa rin.
Pag nawala na yung love mo, di ba? Ganyan din, di ba? In marriage, di ba? So, ganun din sa negosyo. So, pag yung passion mo will always be there, hirap at ginhawa, I believe sooner than later, it would prosper.
Kahit naubos na yung peso. Paulit-ulit na ubos yung peso.
Pag naubos yung peso, you've got family, you've got friends, you've got financial institutions. So, maraming pwedeng panggalingan eh. Kasi if somebody else believes in your purpose, believes in your business, siya na ang lalapit. Tricks. Gusto mo bang tulungan kita dyan? Ha? Are you looking, like in my case, ang dami lumalapit, Din, ang ganda niyang ayos.ph mo. Pwede ba mag-invest? Sabi ko, hindi. Hindi pa. Hindi pa. Bakit? In a tech platform, to the listeners natin sa Philippine SME, it needs at least 2 to 3 years to stabilize.
So 1 year pa, guys.
Then, 1 year pa kayo mag-antay, di ba? Pero by the time na 3 years kami, at na-fund na kami ng ito, very, very different perspective ako. Gusto ko, ang unang popondo, Philippine government. Kasi, ayos.ph ako eh. The best person to fund or to support this AI or sourcing platform is the Philippine government. So, this year kami nakasalang sa DOST. So, if I get funding from government, meron ka ngayong kredibilidad. I was supported by the Department of Science and Technology. O, di ba? So, hahanap ka ngayon ng tinatawag mo na the lubricant or para bang the momentum, di ba? Or a partnership, di ba? Na para bang ganyan din, di ba? Parang, si Ayos naka-partner with Philippine SME, naka-partner with this big. So, andun yung big corporations, nakita, yung Philippine SME, andun yung tulong mo. Di ba? And then, Philippine government. Then, by that time, pwede ko na ibenta abroad. Di ba?
Nakita niyo yung mga business strategies.
Di ba? Di ba? Simple. But, di ba? Easier said than done. But, it's a journey. It's a journey. So, di ba? So, that's it.
So, Dean, okay. Ngayon that you have... Kasi din, hindi ka na talaga small eh. Kahit anong sabihin mo, pilit, di naman na siya small. Pero yun nga, di ba? Where do we as SMEs learn from? Di ba? Siyempre, from somebody who's been there, done that, and keeps on scaling. So my question is, Dean, ano ba yung nakikita mo na ginagawa namin, o kasali ako, kasi small pa naman talaga, sa naming SMEs, na tipo bang, kasi ito kasing ginagawa nyo lagi, kaya hindi pa rin kayo, kumbaga hindi pa kayo lumalaki, or parang hindi nyo naaabot yung maximum potential nyo eh. Like from the many or the hundreds of SMEs that you have seen, what do you think, ayusin yung tanong ko, what should we do or what should we realize so we could help ourselves grow faster?
Stay with us as we hear from the partners who help make these leadership stories possible. Finest Media PH.
What do you think, ayusin yung tanong ko, what should we do or what should we realize so we could help ourselves grow faster?
You first have to build your stronghold before you create your empire.
What does building a stronghold?
Ibig sabihin, para bang build mo muna yung fortress mo. Kailangan matatag, matibay yung core business mo before you diversify.
Ano pong ibig sabihin? Okay, please paint us a picture of a matatag na fortress.
So, ang matatag, okay. So, 3 lang ang checklist ng matatag, okay? Feasible, viable, sustainable. Anong feasible? Able to do. Kaya mong gawin. Marami kasi, gusto yung idea ng ganyan, hindi man niya kayang gawin eh. Kung sino-sinong pa-partner, and then, nawala. So, kaya idea lang siya. Kasi, an idea is not always a good business. A good business, idea, not a good product. A good product, not always a good business. So, feasible, able to do. So, tayo mo.
Kaya mo ma-execute on ikaw mismo.
May resources ka, may budget ka, meron kang infra, may framework ka, di ba? So, after feasible, ang sunod mo, para alam mong talaga matatag, is viable. Ano ang viable? So, sisimplify ko para sa iyo. Yung una natin, feasible, able to do. Ito ngayon, able to do profitably. Ay, na, kita ko, natawa ka na, di ba?
Hindi lang even tayo.
Hindi ba? Hindi lang even ka, hindi lang minsan-minsanan ka lang, di ba? Able to do profitably, and then yung pangatlo natin, talagang matatag ka na, pwede ko na i-transfer sa next generation or kung sino man ang gustong bumili, di ba? Sustainable. Anong sustainable? Able to do profitably, able to do profitably continuously.
You're saying din, Pax, ito na yung tipong alis ka na. Parang pwede kang umalis, gumawa ka na something else, develop a new one, and then have the team run even without you. Which is, oo nga din. Kasi ang dami sa SMEs, kapag nawala yung owner, wala na.
Kaya nga doon ko pinapasok yung tinatawag ko na, ano ka doon, mentorship and meaningful leadership. Anong ibig sabihin yun? Para bang, you choose your mentors intentionally, di ba? So, alam mo kung sino-sino yun, to learn from them, di ba? Been there, done that. Yun ang sabi mo una kanina, di ba? So, yung pangalawa, you now to lead with integrity. Kailangan, di ba, alam na your value system, honesty ka. Sabi ko nga, service will always start with trust. Trust begets respect, and respect will enable you to lead in whatever organization you want to build, from family all the way to big enterprise. And of course, the last one mo, you have to shape leaders that will eventually surpass you. Kailangan, parang ako ngayon, I will say, semi-retired na ako. I am confident that my second generation are running the business operationally and profitably. Kaya semi-retired na ang iyong Dean Pax. I'm celebrating my 70th po this year. Mukha bang 70 ang lolo nyo, di ba? Still active, di ba? So, yun ang matatag. Iba yung everybody will start fresh, would want to start fast, but not everybody will finish well eh. To finish well, di ba? Ibig sabihin dyan, you have few regrets and you have made an impact on the lives or the business of others.
Thank you.
Di ba?
With that, Dean Pax, I think ang dami natin na pag-usapan na ang dami kong natutunan, no? Parang, such refreshing wisdom, and oo nga naman. Parang ito yung conversation natin, Dean Pax, ito yung mga tipong pwede mong basahin sa libro. Pero ito kinompak na natin siya kasi yun na yun. So para sa ating mga SMEs, narinig na natin kay Dean Pax, how can SMEs like me, like you, scale and grow our businesses, di ba? And become more profitable. So yun pala talaga yun. Well, obviously, Dean Pax, statistics show naman na ang daming hindi dumadating sa ganung part. Yun naman, ang dami-daming factors talaga na ang dami hindi natin mailista. Or kahit mailista natin, abutin tayo ng siyam-siyam dito. But then again, balik tayo. Kaya if you are serious about growing your business, like we have tools such as iOS PH, wherein you need people, or you want to look for the right people, you want to look for your target audience,
Lead
market.
gen,
Yun na yun.
Yep.
Just go to iOS.ph. And if you want access to that, nang hindi ka pa magbabayad agad-agad, or baka nga wala talagang bayad, just message me. Message ka dito kung saan ka man nanonood, YouTube, podcast, bibigyan tayo ng iOS PH ng access doon. And of course, catch them sa ating next PhilSME Business Expo sa May yun,
May.
Dean Pax.
Yep.
Yes, sa May. Wala ka doon, pero nandun ang team
Andun
mo.
ang team,
Yun ang
yeah.
sinasabi natin, di ba,
Oo.
na I don't have to be there. Yun yung dream ko na tipong next time, wala na ako dito. Iba na yung nandito. Sinisimulan ko na kaya. Sinisimulan ko na. Kasi yun yung niisip ko nga, Dean Pax, na hindi, exit agad, di ba? Exit agad. Hindi naman masama yun. It's just that, I don't want to get tied with just one thing. Gusto ko parang pagdating ng panahon, meron akong ilang business ko. Ilan na nga ba yun? Sorry, 10, 11, 12, 20. Di ba? Bakit naman hindi?
Hi, I'm Dean Pax Lapid, chairman of iOS.ph. I'd like to see you at the 18th PhilSME Business Expo. We'll be there and you'll be there.
Dean Pax, thank you.
Pleasure.
Salamat.
If you liked this show,
like, and tap the follow button. Please feel free to leave us a review before you go, as this will definitely help more SME business owners in the Philippines. Thank you. Until the next episode.